When they come to Africa, we treat them with so much love, so much kindness, and we are very hospitable towards them. We appreciate them. We don't see them as people with different colors. You understand? We are very respectful towards them. So why is our own different?
Regard Technical University, parents across the globe are asking that how many lives do you want to waste? How many? Tell us. Come out and tell us. How many investments do you want to waste? You didn't like him? Oh, he was black, right? Oh, he was in School of Engineering. Is that why you didn't like him? What actually is your reason why Anaje's life was wasted? Why? What's the reason? We want to know.
Ghanaians, how come justice for Nana Ajay has not gone viral? How come you allow just the sister to be talking about this alone? Where are the Ghanaian content creators? Where are you guys? This is the right time. We need you to stand and push this movement because we don't want this same thing to repeat itself again. If we allow this lady to do this alone, then where and how will Nana Ajay get justice? Please try and put yourself in people's shoes. Dare you understand the pain of losing a loved one? Well, I feel so sorry for his family, and I pray his soul rest in peace. But this justice, Nana Ajay must get the justice he deserves. Ghanaians, let's come together and push this movement until we get a response from his school.
Police inspector keeping Nanaje's phone. Sir, Inspector, when Nanaje realized that he was in danger, they called you people to come to their apartment. And after the incident happened and the boy passed on when he was feeling dizzy and nobody saved him. Sir, there was an undisclosed amount in Nanaje's purse, including the euro currency and the Dubai currency. Sir, you people did not even help Nanaje. But sir, you went and you switched off the CCTV cameras after the incident happened because you didn't want the investigators to get evidence about what happened. You took away Nanaje's phone. So up to now, sir, information reaching me is the phone is still with you. So the boys who did that to Nanaje and scattered his things after harming him, they took away the euros in the purse of Nanaje and left only the Dubai currency because Nanaje was supposed to book a flight and come back to us on the 1st of July. So even the boy's flight ticket is on the phone, which you, the inspector, you are holding the phone. Sir, by the way, I go by the name Nadia in case you are asking who is talking. Maybe my video will get to you. Sir, please. Investigations, I know it's over because you said you were going on vacation. So I know your vacation is over by now. The school must get to you. Every amount they took from Nanaje, we don't even mind. But his phone should be brought to us, please. Please, sir, our spirit is not at peace on the ill treatment that was meted out to our brother. He was a student of the school. So, sir, please. I don't want to bring you here again. So, sir, do the needful. Give us the phone.
Have you ever sat down and wondered how many lives have been taken? Have you ever sat down and wondered how many souls have gone and nothing was done about it? So why do you want to allow this to just go like that? Guys, is that how you want this boy to just die like that without any justice given to him? If other people zip their mouth and say nothing, we are not going to zip our mouth. Justice must be given to Nana Adjei. So therefore, Ghanaians, let's come together and fight. And fight until Nana get the justice he deserves. I don't know why you guys just allowed this lady to be on this movement alone. You see, that's the number one reason why I love my country, Nigeria. If this was to be in Nigeria, forget it. Forget it. Everybody will come out and talk about it. This has been happening and people have been zipping their mouth. No, let's not allow this to be like a daily routine that someone, a life will just go and nobody will say anything about it. We deserve to know what happened to Nana Adjei. We deserve to know. We deserve to know. I know I'm not, in any way related to him because I'm a Nigerian. But guys, no. I am a black woman and he is a black man. We cannot tolerate this anymore. I took my money and sent my son to school abroad. He went alive. And what did they bring back home? His corpse. They brought him back home lifeless. And you think we should zip our mouth and just see it like that because you are not the mother? You are not the sister? You are not the brother? Hey, oh no. You will never understand this if you've not lost anyone in your life. You will never understand the pain of losing a brother, a sister, a mother, an uncle, an auntie, a niece. Nana Adjei deserves justice, and justice must be given to him. Well, guys, let's take a look at this video and you will understand that it's not easy for the family.
Let me just give you an example, just in case you think I'm exaggerating. His plea ticket that he was supposed to use after writing his exams, he was supposed to get home on the 1st of July. It's on the phone. Maybe pictures of the people who did that to him are also on the phone. So please, regard Technical University. Go to Nana Adjei's apartment. Do thorough investigations for us. And bring back Nana Adjei's phone to us. We want to use it to aid in investigations. We are not backing down, regard. And to the boys who did that to Nana Adjei, if you are watching this video and by mistake, maybe you've gotten one or two of the videos, you know you'll not go scot-free. You know it. For taking the life of another human being, you will not go scot-free. So regard Technical University, please. I know you people have seen it. So start doing the needful, please. Give us justice. The boy wants justice. They will not kill anybody like that again. Let's do this. Oh, regard Technical University. Parents across the globe are asking that how many lives do you want to waste? How many? Tell us. Come out and tell us. How many investments do you want to waste? You didn't like him? Oh, he was black, right? Oh, he was in School of Engineering. Is that why you didn't like him? What actually is your reason why Nana Adjei's life was wasted? Why? What's the reason? We want to know. We want to know. Parents across the globe are asking, how many children have gone through situations like this? How many? We want to know. Oh, a school of your caliber must issue a statement for us. Even if it's a press release, you want to know. The boy did not deserve what he went through at all. There was scars all over him. This is a strong, energetic boy who did not even complain of headache when we were taking him to school. But when the incident happened, you didn't even call us. It was later before you called us. So we are seeking answers. And it should be as soon as possible. Yeah. Friends, family, everybody want to know what happened to our brother Nana. Yeah. It will appease our soul when we finally get justice for our dear fallen brother. Please regard Technical University, School of Engineering. Let's do this. By the way, regard Technical University. Just in case you think maybe when you bring the phone to us, you will delete anything from it. Please don't. Because as a family and as a sister to Nigerians, I know most of the details on the phone.
When they come to Africa, we treat them with so much love, so much kindness, and we are very hospitable towards them. We appreciate them. We don't see them as people with different colors. You understand? We are very respectful towards them. So why is our own different? To the extent that our brothers and sisters will feel uncomfortable when they are in the diaspora. Do you understand? I mostly hear racism from afar, but I never knew that it will get to an extent where somebody's life will be at risk. To the extent where it will cause this kind of pain to families and friends. You understand? And that is what we stand for as Africans, that there should be unity, love, respect. You understand? Under no circumstance should you actually cause anybody pain. Because if you are doing it to one person, you are not touching the individual alone. You are touching generations. You are touching a family. You are touching people who are closer to those people. You understand? So issues of racism should be discussed regularly so that generations to come will feel protected.
This movement, we have to join. We have to join the family and get the justice Nana Adjei deserves. He's not here anymore, and the sister cannot do it alone. She needs us. You and I know that 2 heads is better than 1. Please, let's join this family and fight for justice. Let's fight until Nana Adjei is given the justice he deserves. Well, you guys should prove me wrong on this one. Nigeria, I carry hand for them for this one, because if this was to be in Nigeria, nobody will be told. Nobody will be told to come out and, say something about it. But I don't know what's up with Ghana content creators. What are you guys doing? You allow this girl to be talking alone. Then how would he get the justice he deserves? I beg. These people, they've been coming here and we are treating them like king and queens. But when we go to their countries, they treat us like trash. They even go ahead killing us.